I'm starting to throw now. I switch it off with my hand. This is about 2.5 kilograms of clay, porcelain. Ooh. Seems quite fast for me too. I haven't kneaded it properly, but never mind. As you can see, it can perfectly handle 2 kilograms. 2.5. This is. I can't throw any bigger than 3. Maximum is 3 kilograms. This clay is like cream cheese. As you can see, the speed of the wheel does not stop or reduce because of the pressure. Really good. Quite good torque. Come on, center. Oh, I'm not good today, looks like. I haven't thrown for a few weeks now, so sometimes I just have to get back to it to be able to throw properly. There are some days I can't even center, let alone pulling moves. Today might be one of those days. As you see, I just can't seem to center today. Is it centered? Or I might be too fast in that. I reduced the speed, so that seems to be good, in fact. Yeah, that helped. Sometimes with porcelain, you have to know what you are doing really. If you went too fast, and you will have lumps of clay in your hand. Really tricky clay to throw, porcelain is. Perhaps I should have thrown something else, not porcelain. You just need to get used to porcelain really. Throw a few times before you start to throw, because porcelain is a very tricky material, as I said. I hope this thing is videoing me. Right, I should try to center this part first. In fact, oh, my hand is aching now. Right, now I'm going to divide a part of clay. I'm just trying to throw on the hump. Made a hole. Reduce the speed of the wheel now. Pulling the wall now. Reduce the speed quite a lot. This is very wonky, by the way. Looks like. Right, there is a little thing I just threw. You see? I don't like to sit in these dining chairs really, but you just need to get used to these wheels really. It's I like R84 Fitzwilliams because I'm quite used to them. So this is how you use this one. You see? There we are. I don't know if you can see it really. Can you? There we are. Now I need to cut it off. I cut it, but I'm a bit scared now to take it off because it will I will distort the shape. Let's try to shape it perhaps. Right. You just need to cut it off from the hump. It's slightly distorted, but I think I can get it okay later. There we are. That's how you throw on this wheel. You just need to get used to your wheel really. As I said, I am quite used to my own R84 Fitzwilliam. You just need to have your hands this part of your hand locked in your hip, so that you are putting lot of pressure, not from your hand but from your upper body, like that. You just need to lean over to the clay like that, and then you have to have both your hands really looking like that, so that the clay, instead of the clay moving you, you need to move the clay, if that makes sense. Okay. Yes, so that's how it is done. You just have to have that hand, that elbow locked in this part of your hip, and it will do the trick as it did just now. As you can see, it's quite very well centered. And I will be parting in the slice again, and the little piece of clay. Make a hole. Up. Reducing the speed about this much. It's a lovely wheel. It's fantastic. As you can see, I'm not very good at repeatable shapes. That one was something else. This is something completely different, looks like. But I will see. Perhaps it looks little bit similar now, but this one is taller. I can never do the repeatable styles. Well, that'll do, I think. That's all right. I will cut it now. Ah dear, but it's all right. I can get it back to the shape soon, once they're a little bit leather hard. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. You can see how the wheel works now, and increasing and decreasing of the speed. So I will have to clean this up now soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.